Hey, this is Sean Cole Enterprises, here with some big news about one of the businesses that I'm in, Finish Line Network. Um, Big news came down the pike. They have extended their pre-launch sign-up period. What this means for you is that you can get in, take a look at all the training, take a look at exactly how you get paid, all the free marketing materials, free to sign up. You can sign people up, start marketing, positioning yourself within Finish Line Network if that's what you're looking to do, and you can do this all for free. It's been extended to September the 10th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which gives you a few more days if you're on the fence to make a decision. It doesn't cost you anything to take a look at it, to take a look at your back office and all the training videos, what basically explains exactly how you get paid, the different tiers that you can get paid in, how to market, the free marketing training if you're new to online marketing in the online marketing field, if you're new to email marketing, if you're new to social media marketing. They have all that training in the back office for free. If you're an experienced online marketer, this gives you time, again, take a look at the back office for free. No credit card information is required. Um, Look at everything that they have to offer. Look at the pay structure and make a decision if Finish Line Network is a good fit for you. It was a good fit for me. I chose to take advantage of the opportunity. I had people with me that I've showed the opportunity to. They believe the Finish Line Network is a good fit for them, and we're all in. And I'm just basically waiting for the launch, and I'm all in. But once again, Finish Line Network has extended their pre-launch date. They pushed it back. There are over 70,000 members inside of Finish Line Network now. Don't miss this opportunity for free because once it's live, you're going to have to pay. I suggest you get in now, grandfathered in, take a look at everything you need to take a look at, make a decision to see what's best for you and your team, you and your business, or you and what you want to do in the future. Maybe you're looking to get into the online marketing field and you might need some help or some assistance, some training. You get all that here from top earners, people that have been in the business for years and have made over six figures in online marketing. That's what I got. Big news, as you can see right here, 11 days. They extended, you got 11 days to get in. September 20th, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then they're shutting the doors on their pre-launch. I suggest you get in, take a look at it, and make a decision for yourself. I know you heard the buzz. I know you heard the hype. Get in and see exactly what is exciting and what's new with Finish Line Network. If you're interested in joining Finish Line Network, the links will be in the description of this video. Um, Come in, take a look. The doors are open, but they won't be open for too much longer. Again, this is Sean Cole Enterprises. Have a great day.